1501's with you, 6,000, 210 on speed.
Delta 1501, North Canada approach, roger, maintain your present speed, the Federal Chase, 5,000.
5,000, Delta 1501.
Delta 1501, turn left heading 350.
350, Delta 1501.
Delta 1501, reduce speed to 170. Delta 1501, you'll follow the United Boeing at your 12 o'clock, 4 miles westbound, 3,900.
Inside Delta 1501.
Delta 1501, heading 330, follow traffic, clear visible approach 28 right.
330, follow him, clear bridge on 28 right, Delta 1501.
Delta 1501, thank you, reduce speed to 160.
160, Delta 1501.
Delta 1501, contact Qatar, 120.5.
See you later, Delta 1501. Delta 1501, visual 28 right.
Delta 1501, San Francisco Tower, 13004 at 4, traffic holding runway 1, runway 28 right, clear to land.
Clear land 28 right, Delta 1501.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to be the first to welcome you to San Francisco. The local time is just shy of the hour. Looks at 9:23 a.m. For your continued safety and the safety of those seated around you, we do ask you to remain comfortably seated with your seatbelt securely fastened, and all carry-on items stowed to the aircraft is parked safely at the gate, and our captains extinguish the fasten seatbelt sign. At that time, take a moment and check around your seating area, including those seat back pockets, for any items you brought with you, such as tablets and cell phones. Do exercise caution when you open the overhead bins, as items may have shifted during our arrival. Our gate of arrival here in San Francisco this morning will be in Terminal 2. Gate C is in Charlie, Gate C3. Again, our gate of arrival is in Terminal 2.
1501, turn left, hold short runway straight left, and monitor ground footing.
Partner Airline today, check
Russell Stewart, straight left,
ground footing for baggage and connecting gate information for your Delta travel this afternoon. If you haven't downloaded it yet, we do invite you to do so. Those can be used on future Delta journeys as well. If you're picking up checked baggage here in San Francisco, that'll be on the baggage claim carousel level, carousel number 1. So 1 for your checked bags, gate of arrival, Terminal 2, Gate C, Charlie 3.
Delta 1501, give way to the biz jack, cross to 8 left Alpha to the air.
Left Alpha, tram, give way to
travel experience. On behalf of Delta, our global Sky Team partners, this Twin Cities, Minneapolis, St. Paul-based cabin crew, And your Salt Lake City, Utah-based flight deck crew, it's been our pleasure having you on board, and we look forward to the opportunity of serving you again in the near future on another Delta flight. Have a great rest of your Saturday morning here in the San Francisco Bay Area, or for wherever your travels may take you. And ladies and gentlemen, we are on an active taxiway. The seatbelt sign is on. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened for your safety and the safety of our flight attendants. Thank you.